it's Miss Ryden, the Peace Teacher. Today, I want to talk to you about mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is something that you can do if you're feeling a little bit mad or sad or frustrated. And it can really, really help to make you feel more calm. And when you're more calm, it's a lot easier to figure out what you need to do to make yourself feel better. So let's find out more about mindful breathing. One thing that I like to use to help me do mindful breathing is this. It's called a Hoberman Sphere, but I like to just call it a breathing ball. And I like to imagine that I have this ball in my belly. And when I breathe in, my belly gets bigger like this. And when I breathe out, it gets smaller. I breathe in and my belly gets bigger. I breathe out and my belly gets smaller. If you don't have a breathing ball, that's okay. There's lots of ways that you can do what we call belly breathing. That's the kind of breathing that really helps you to calm down when you're feeling angry. One thing you can do is just put your hands on your belly and see if you can feel your belly getting bigger when you breathe in. Try breathing in through your nose and imagining the air going all the way down and filling your belly up. Like you've got a balloon in there and you're filling it up with air. And then slowly breathe out through your mouth and let all the air out. Another way to practice belly breathing is to get a little buddy to help you. Here's Mindful Monkey. You can try getting a little stuffy of your own, lie down on your back and put that stuffy on your belly. And then see if you can breathe in and lift it up and then breathe out and lower it down. Almost like you're going to be rocking it with the movement of your belly going up and down. So those are 3 ways of practicing belly breathing. You can use the Hoberman Sphere. You can put your hands on your belly and imagine there's a balloon in there. Or you can get a breathing buddy and put it on your tummy and practice breathing in and out and lifting your buddy up and down. So I hope that will help you the next time you're feeling a little bit mad or sad or frustrated. I hope that'll help you to calm down so you can figure out what you need to do about your problem. All right, friends, it was great to see you. See you next time.